Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about how you can enable OTG in your device OPPO F21 Pro 5G. So if you want to enable your OTG, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable OTG in your device.